Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover the collectors.group by function supplier and collector method. So this is the last method in the group by function. Okay, so before going in details, right, I'm going to tell the requirement. Okay, see, there is a student or employee object, so you want to group by data as per some given condition. After that you want to sort the data as per some ascending order. So at that time, right, you should use the group by functions supplier and collector method. Why? Because, right, the function is going to be taken an input argument and return the data. After that, the supplier is going to be supply the data as per given data, so it is going to be return the data. Okay, and collectors, so you can use the group by and group by or any other function on that. Okay, so here, right, supplier does the mapFactory. So it will defines data as per the given order or whatever the required data. I mean required format actually. Collectors.group by function supplier and collector method returns the collector implementing the cascade group by operation on input elements of the T, grouping elements according to classification function, and then it will performs the reduction operation on the values associated with the key using the downstream collector. So what it means to say is, right, whatever the data is there on the group by operation, right, so it is going to be take the downstream data and it will do the reduction. That means it will map together into the as per our given condition. After that, mapFactory, I mean the map produces the collector is created with supplier factory function. The end results is going to be is display based on the supplier function what you have been given. Okay, so here, right, T is the type of input elements, K is the type of keys, A is the intermediate accumulation type of the downstream collector, and D is the result type of the downstream reduction. Okay, and M is the resulting type of the map. If you see, right, supplier is the resulting type of the map, as I told you. Classifier function mapping the input elements to keys, a map factory, a function which or when called produces the new empty map or desired type of the map. Okay, so downstream, a collector implementing the downstream reduction operation. So I think when I'm explaining this, right, so you might get the bit confusion. So if you see the example, right, you will get better understanding. See here I have taken the student list of objects. Okay, so I'm doing the function. Okay, the function student and string I have taken. So here student dot get last name. So I want to take the last name. So based on the last name I want to group, because, right, in the organization or company or college there might be same last name people, so we want to know such kind of scenario. Okay, after that, supplier returning the tree map data as per natural sorting order. I told you, right, supplier is going to take the input. I mean it will supply the data, whatever the data based on that. Supply map string comma list of student map dot supplier tree map of new. So tree map usually what does, it is going to be do the some natural sorting order. So that's what our intention. So now returning the final map based on the cascading group of operation, and end results is the map. Here, right, map string list of student. Okay, grouping the results student data, student list dot stream dot collect the collected collectors dot group by grouping by classification, and map supplier, whatever the supplier is there, right, the classification function is going to be take the last name, and the collectors dot to list. So all the data is going to be in list format, I mean in the map of list format. Okay, so here, right, if you execute this program, you are going to get the data as per this. Here Abraham is the two times is there, two last names are there. Student one, student object of first name and last name Abraham. So here, right, the special list has been created. So Koran is the another last name. There is the two list of students are there with that Koran name. Okay, and Mason is the another name. It is going to be there in one time. So what I mean to say, right, if you want to perform some operation based on some ordering or any inserting data, right, so you should use the group by function, supplier and collector data. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content of the video, please subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.